Welcome back. Mining is yet to start, but chaos and confusion has already begun on the ore transportation contracts. Truck operators of Dhabal village are annoyed with Sesa Sterlite. They claim that they were operating trucks for Sesa company for past many years, but now for ore transportation from Codli Dhabal to pig iron plant at Amona, company has engaged trucks from outside the village. Locals claim Panchayat had promised them first preference.
First the Kavre, and now it's Codli locals' turn to agitate. Locals demand a share and contract of ore transportation, while the traders or companies engage the outsiders. Sesa Sterlite has begun transportation of the ore from Codli mine to its pig plant at Amona, installing GPS tracker systems. Local truck operators are annoyed with Sesa as they have engaged truck operators from outside the village. They have threatened to heat the streets if they are enrolled for transportation.
94 वाजेमुळे आम्ही अंगण बंद करता गाडी 1 नंबर शेजा वाज नंबराच्या आणि आता आमची गाडी बाहेर गेली नाही तुमची लिस्टार नाव म्हणटा आणि आता कालची गाडी येतात तर त्यांची गाडी भायली गाडी घेतली नाही आता आणि आमची गाडी तुका लिस्टार नाव म्हणटा
भायली म्हळ्यार खंयची
भायली अशें कुकळेची गाडी 1 नंबर दिल्ली नाही
तूं खंयचो
आम्ही हसले पंचायती ऑपोजिट गरम गेले
आम्ही किती जाला आता एच नंबर जवळ 20 वर्सांनी चलयता गाडी तिणी कितें करपा जाय पयलीं आमच्यो ह्यो गाडी गांवच्यो पयलीं लिस्टार घेवपा जाय ना आमची गाडी घेतली जाल्यार आमी सगळे एपोर्ट जातले न्हू गांवचे हेजे आहा.
One of the Punch members says he is with the people.
आमकां सरपंचान ग्रामसभेक सांगलेलें की प्रत्येकाली एक गाडी घेतलो म्हणून
खंयची एरियाची
किल्लपाल दाबाळ पंचायत आमी लोकांक म्हटलें लोकांक जाय तशें
किती फॉर्मेलिटी करपा लायली तेणी ट्रकवाल्यांक
ट्रकवाल्यान फॉर्मेलिटी कांयच करूं ना तेणे आज काल अकस्मात सांगलो आमकां की ते GPS कितें बसोवपा म्हणून आमकां सांगलें म्हणजे अशें लोकांक कोणा तरी कळना आनी ते गाडी तशें धांवन येयले आनी तेणी बसयले.
The closure of mining has left thousands of mining trucks off the road. Some have been abandoned in past 2 years. Those left fight for a share in ore transportation. With mining in the state set to be kept to just 20 million tons if and when it begins, the scene like Kavre and Codli probably hint a tussle in offing. Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Alignment for 6-lane Zuari Bridge is almost finalized. The detailed project report will be submitted to the Union Transport Ministry after Diwali. 1,000 crore is the expected cost of the 2 kilometers long 6-lane bridge. The bridge will be ready in 3 years. Transport Minister Sudin Davlikar also informed that tender of 180 crores for Kandepar Bridge has also been floated. He interacted with the media after his meeting with the Chief Minister.
टोटल ते सगळं 2 किलोमीटर जातलो DPR केन्ना पासून पंचायत जातलो DPR 25 days. We have raised some observations by Chief Engineer. कोणाक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिला तो DPR all SN मोबाईल and accessories.
केन्ना तरी टेंडर येऊ शकता.
See, टेंडर पेक्षा for us what is important is getting sanction. Proper sanction from the Indian Ministry and then already commit केलं ना सेंट्रल जाल्यार सुद्दां आमची तयारी जायनासतना टेंडर केन्ना येतलें आनी खांडेपार ब्रिजाचें टेंडर will be open in next 15 days. Already tender is open for pre-qualifications which 2 tenderers are there. Now after qualifying all the requirements, financial bid will be estimated cost Kandepar Bridge 180, something like 160, 180. Zuari will be around 1,000, 6 lane though.
Goa government is formulating a legal committee to discuss the legal basis to resolve the issue of special status to Goa. Legal committee will formulate the memorandum which will be submitted to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Rajnath Singh during Delhi visit. By 5th November, delegation will visit Delhi for special status demand. Goa's movement for special status submitted 22 points to the Chief Minister demanding special status for Goa under Article 371I of Indian Constitution.
Under the leadership of Environment Minister Alina Saldana, a delegation of Goa's movement for special status met Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and submitted 22 points memorandum to Manohar Parrikar demanding special status for Goa under Article 371I of Indian Constitution. CM assured formulation of legal committee to look into legal aspects of special status.
We are formulating a legal committee to discuss the legal basis for our demand. Okay, so we are in the process of constituting this committee. Then we'll be having several sittings wherein every detail of the demand will be discussed, and once we are definite, we will prepare our memorandum and we'll be going to the center to meet the Prime Minister.
President of Goa's Movement for Special Status, Prajal Sakardande, stressed on the need of special status for Goa.
We are saying that you control the influx of people from outside, okay? Because Goa is small. Anybody can come and settle anywhere as per the constitution. We are not disputing that. But you cannot compare Goa and have the same parameters vis-a-vis Karnataka or Maharashtra. Okay? So, being small in size, we have to have special status and to save. We are not asking for financial package. We are asking for the preservation of our identity, आमचे culture, आमचे natural heritage, आमचे jobs, आमचे सगळे.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Environment Minister Alina Saldana is firm that only one civilian airport is enough for the state. She said she stands firm by Matani Saldana's decision. On the other hand, Congress MLA Alex Reginald accused Parrikar of a real estate scam over Mopa land. The land it measures about 15 lakh square meters area. He has challenged CM Parrikar to place RFQ before the Gram Sabhas and take public opinion.
Mopa issue is heating up. After much hue and cry over Mopa airport, Alina Saldana has resolved to stand by her husband, late Matani's stand. Matani was of the view that for a small state like Goa, only one civilian airport is just enough.
I go by the stand of my husband, late Matani Saldana, who said that Dabhal is the civilian airport of the state of Goa. Okay? And Goa is too small to have two airports. Okay? That is my stand.
So you are following the stand of Matani Saldana?
Yes, definitely. But questions are asked on Mopa, and questions that are asked are with reference to the environment, and therefore I have to look into the matter as well.
Meanwhile, Congress MLA Alex Reginald accused Parrikar of a real estate scam over Mopa land.
381 acre, almost 15 lakh, 15 lakh मोपाची लँड रियल स्टेटाची एक बरे व्हडले स्कॅम करू सोदता आमचो गव्हर्नमेंट आणि चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर. जेन्ना FAR थिंगा अलाउड आहा 0.8 म्हणजे 1000 स्क्वेअर मिटराक 800 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स बिल्ड अप करूं मेळटा ते आता तो 5 टाइम मायज म्हणजे 4 FAR दिवपा सोदिता. कित्याक लागून हे इतले एडवांटेज हे बिल्डरांक हे मोपा स्कॅम करपाक कित्याक? What is the interest?
MLA from Kurtori has challenged the CM to place RFQ of Mopa before the Gram Sabhas in Salsette.
I demand मनोहर पर्रीकराक जेन्ना ताणें क्लियर कट शपथविधीक सांगलें गोंयकारांनी बऱ्यो कोर्स केले म्हण इतली मॅन्डेट दिन इतली बरी मॅन्डेट दिन आनी भांगरा गोंय करया म्हणटे भांगरा पेंट सुद्दां मारना तो सॅफ्रन कलर आहा तो भांगरा कलर जायना. आतां चॅलेंज मारता मनोहर पर्रीकराक तो प्लॅन RFQ पडी मोपा प्लॅन आहा तो ग्राम सभाकूच धाड आख्खे साऊथ गोवांत. आमी काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंटान RP प्लॅन ग्राम सभा धाडलो तो पोत्तून धाड म्हणलो स्क्रॅप म्हणटा काडना कापसा जाल्ल्यान RFQ करची पयलीं प्लॅनूच मोपाचो तूं कितें करूं सोदी ते सगळे पंचायतान धाड एक ग्राम सभा जायनी लोक कितें येता तो चोय.
Reporters Mahesh Kari and Savio Dias with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.